We will solve the middle of the linked list, which is quite easy question. So you just have to return the middle of the linked list. If there is an odd number, then you just have to return the middle, or if there is an even number linked list, then you just have to return the right middle. So first you have to calculate the length of an linked list. So you just have to create an int length equals to 0, and then you have to traverse through the linked list. You have to create the temp, which is pointing at the head, and then while first you have to count the length, means the size of a linked list. So while temp is not equals to null, you just have to length plus plus, and also iterate temp equals to temp ka next. So in this way you calculate the length, and then you have to add the for loop for int equals to 0 to find the middle of the linked list. So, and length by 2 and I plus plus. So this is sorry, first you have to put the temp again at the head position, and then traverse through it. Temp change to temp equals to temp next. So in this way you just find the middle of the linked list, and after that you have to return the list. So just return the temp at the end. Let's run it, whether it has worked properly or not. I guess it will work properly. So the 2 test cases were passed. Let's submit it. Yeah, it is accepting. So this is the solution for middle of the linked list. Thank you.